Hey guys, I'm back, and holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Fuck! Sorry, sir. Oh wow! Jesus Christ! Jesus fucking Christ! And the neighbor over there. You see that? You see the light coming over there from the yellow house with the camper in front of it? Yeah, he's out, so. Holy shit. Wow, that's fucking cool. That's so fucking awesome. Yo, that's so satisfying. That is so fucking satisfying, guys. You know that? What the hell? What the guys, you see that? What the hell? What the hell? That looks like a little silver cell, or maybe that looks like a little nose. I think that looks like that looks like a nose. I think not a little silver cell. That's so fucking crazy, guys. Holy shit! Oh wow! I don't even hear the lightning yet. It's not even fucking raining yet. It's only the wind that's doing the most. Producing the most. Alright, oh shit. Holy crap. That was hard. Damn. That was, Jesus Christ. Shit coming at my face. God. Wait. Hold on. That? No. Oh shit! I think a leaf just fucking hit me, guys. Yeah, I think a fucking leaf hit me just now.